Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we are solving problem 693, binary number with alternating bits. This is an easy problem and next I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. We are given a positive integer and we need to return true if it has alternating bits or false otherwise. So let's say that we are given 5. This is the base 10 representation of the number and the base 2 representation, meaning the binary number, is 1, 0, 1. We need 1 to the power of 0, 0 to the power of 1, and 1 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, plus 0, plus 1, this is equal to 5, which is this 5. Here we have alternating bits. First we have a 1, then we have a 0, then we have a 1, and that's it. So in this case, we just return true. Now let's say that we are given number 7. This in binary is 1, 1, 1. We need 1 to the power of 0, 1 to the power of 1, and 1 to the power of 2. Here we have 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7. This 7. Here we don't have alternating bits, we have all ones, so we just return false. So what we can do here is iterate bit from right to left from the least significant bit. And every time we are checking if this bit is equal to the previous bit. We will say that previous is initially something different from 1 and 0. Let's say that this is -1. So first we are here and we are checking if 1 is different from -1. Given that it is, we can continue. So we can right shift this binary number, which means that we remove this least significant bit. And now the new previous corresponds to this last bit. So the new previous is 1. Next we are here. And now given that 1 is equal to 1 and we are looking for alternating bits, at this point we can return false right away. If we are given 5 as the input, here is the binary representation of the number, and we can do exactly the same. We are going from right to left from the least significant bit. Here we have a 1, which is different from -1, so the new previous is 1. Now we can right shift this, which means we can remove the least significant bit. Next we are here, we have a 0, which is different from 1, so the new previous is 0. We right shift this, which means we remove this. Now 1 is different from 0, the new previous is 1. We right shift this, meaning we remove this bit. And given that we can iterate every bit and never return false, at this point we can return true. Time complexity here is big O of log n because we need to iterate bits in the binary representation of the number that we are given, and this requires log n time complexity. And space complexity is big O of 1 because as you can see here we only need some integers and booleans. So with this in mind, now let's go with the code. First we can see that previous is something different from 1 and 0. We will use -1 and we can say while we have a number we are checking if n modulo 2, meaning the least significant bit, is equal to previous. We return false right away because we need alternating bits. If we are still here, we can say that the new previous is n modulo 2. And now we can right shift the number. We use n right shift equal 1. And if we reach the end of this loop and never return false, we can return true. So this is the entire code. Now let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.